Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to use the software to bring in another page from the site into our current page. This is on an HTML page. Normally you can only do this with a PHP page by using a /include statement. Now this is not using any frames. Okay, so this is a very good way to do it. Now all you have to do is insert the path to where your page is. So that is the URL without the HTTP : and the domain name. So it's everything after that. So if it's in a folder, it'd be, you'd put here /folder /file name, and that's all you'd put. Okay, so let me give you an example here. Here is what I'm going to include into my page. I have this uploaded on my server as test.html. Now it could also have been in a folder. I could have put it in /code/test.html, and that's what I would have to include in the software. So let's bring the software up here, and all I have to put here is /test.html. Okay, so to be clear, this is the equivalent of my domain name /test.html. You don't want to include your domain name in here, and it can only be a file that is on the same domain name. Okay, and then all you do is generate the code. Okay, so everything from here down you're going to copy. So put your mouse on there, go to the bottom, right click and copy, and then all you have to do is bring that into your website where you want it to appear. Okay, now I have a test page here just so I can easily show you. So all this page includes is a heading, says bring in the code below, and then end of include code. So everything in between here will be included, and you see that it's an HTML file. So all we do is we paste the code that we just got in there, and now we're going to save this file. Okay, so let's upload it to the same server where our include file is. And it doesn't matter where this is on our server, it'll work. Okay, so here's my test.html. Let's upload it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just go to the proper URL here. So I'm going to go to my test.html. And you see there it is. Here is our original code, bring in the code below, and end of include code. And here is the code that came in, the page that came in. Okay, so that's how you use it. Just put the path to what you want to include in here, which would be, just make sure there's a slash in front of it in the file name, the full file name like the .html or whatever it is, .txt you can also bring in. And also if there's a folder name, you need to put the folder name first. So /folder/file name.